make it work until we can find the other one, the real one. It's there somewhere.
Rhonda, just got back from the Dollar Tree. Now, I went there specifically to get some items for my daughter's upcoming wedding, but as usual, I bought a bunch of other stuff. The first thing I wanted to show you was the tempered glass that goes on your screen. Now, they have them for the iPhone 6, 6S, and 7. I still have the 6S. They also have them for the 10, which I was pretty excited about that. These are really good cases. They've protected my phone numerous times when I've dropped it, so awesome. And this is the new cell phone case that I had to have. Look how cute that is. It's just a little cheap snap-on one, but very cute. So I grabbed that. Next thing I got was one of these. These are great for holding your nail polish, but I also wanted them to hold like my little stickles, or I have some little glitter bottles that are always getting knocked over no matter where I put them. So this would be perfect for that. So I grabbed one of those. Then they've been having some really cute buttons. I grabbed some once before that were like black and brown, and then I saw this really bright colored ones, and so I grabbed those. I think that's a pretty good deal for $1, so I grabbed those. Next thing were some movies, and they've been having Blu-ray movies, which is kind of crazy for $1, but the first one's not a Blu-ray. I'd never heard of this movie, but it has a lot of famous people in it, from Steve Carell to, what is her name? Toni Collette. It's got Sam Rockwell. It's got Maya Rudolph. So it's got a lot of people. It looks like it might be cute, so I grabbed that one. Then I grabbed this one, which is The Hunters, and this is like a secret organization. This kind of looks like a series, so I really don't know, but I thought I'd give it a shot for $1. The next one was Stoneheart Asylum, which has Kate Beckinsale in it and Michael Caine. So that again is, and Ben Kingsley. So pretty star-studded cast, probably good. This one is Barney's Version. Never heard of this movie, with Dustin Hoffman and Paul Giamatti, I don't know. He's a really good actor though. I like him. He also has Minnie Driver. So again, probably a good movie. And then this one is Sharkwater. Never heard of it. But it looks kind of interesting, and with Shark Week coming up not too far from now, I thought I'd get that. So you can't really beat a movie for $1, even if it's horrible. Oh, throw it away. You watched it. Done. All right, let me grab some of the other things that I got that are not wedding related. The next thing were these gorgeous unicorns. I've gotten some like these before, but this one's a little bit different, I think. Oh yeah, there we go. It's got this different horse on it that I don't remember the other one having, but I've already used it and it's gone, so I couldn't really know for sure, but it's got like the whole pony on it, and then a big giant poop, a little baby poop. Anyway, pay no attention to the crazy lady talking about colorful poop. The next thing was, of course, the stickers. Now, I can't go without getting stickers. The first ones I found were these Justice League stickers, and these are real puffy. Really liked those. The next one, let me see here, were these cute Disney ones. So I grabbed one of those, also puffy. I think I've gotten those before, but I use them. They're cute. This one is the Avengers. I don't have a lot of boy things. I don't really know why, but I just really don't. So I don't really consider the Avengers boy, but boys tend to like them more, so I thought they were kind of cool, so I grabbed those. Then they had these cute little 3D, look at that little fox and the little koala. So cute. So I grabbed a package of those, couldn't pass them up. Then they had these cute little puffy stickers with the little Shopkins. Grabbed that. Then these stickers I just fell in love with. They are so pretty. Whoever made them was really thinking. So I got 2 of those. Then I saw this one. Never seen anything like this one before. How does your garden grow? And it's got all the little gloves and a little spade and a little sign. Look at the little rubber boots. Too cute. Then a fishy underwater sea one. So I grabbed that one. And then this one with all the different sayings on it, which I thought were really cute. This is my happy place. Loved that. So I grabbed a couple of those. And then the last one I got was this one with the birds on it. Thought that was exceptionally pretty. So I got that. I also grabbed a package of these. I use those on a lot of different things. I don't know where that blue one came from. It's just kind of a random blue one stuck in there, and then I don't know. It's extra. It's got an extra. Then I found these, and they have fluid in them. I don't know if you can see it. And actually, oh no, they all still do. You can't really see it, but there's fluid in there moving around in them. And they're just the little Monster High. Then I found some stickers for cars. Thought those were pretty cool. And these are all puffy here on the first page. And then these are glittery. And then they have foil. And then reward stickers. So I thought those were really cute. Really, really cute. Liked those. And I also got this one that is Mickey Mouse. Same thing. A little racing Mickey Mouse with the puffy stickers. And then it has glitter stickers. Foil. And then some more of the little reward. High Speed Adventure. I don't know why it's reward. I would think it would say like, oh, well, that's well done. Anyway, grab that little sticker book. And then the last thing on this one I got were these file folders. Now, I thought these were the prettiest colors. And what I plan on doing with the majority of them, there's 3 in each one of these, but I have some of those plastic organizers that are trying to get my mouth to work, that are drawers, but you can see in them. I don't really like how you can see in it. So I'm going to try and use some of these to make the front of it when I redo my crafting area. So I grabbed those. So let me move this stuff out of the way, and then I'll be right back. Alright, next real quick, nothing exciting here. I got some more of the plates that are 4th of July, Memorial Day, all of that runs together in the summer. Grab that. Then I got some of these cute party, they're plastic table covers, but I actually use them to wrap stuff up. I use them to throw down when I don't want to get something all over it, you know, that kind of thing. Then I found these pretty, pretty napkins. Thought these were gorgeous with that on them. Can't go to the Dollar Tree without buying some batteries, so I grabbed a package of batteries. Actually, I grabbed 2 packages of batteries. And here's another little sticker book. This is the same type, but this one is Frozen. So it's got all the little Frozen. Then it has the glitter stickers. I love the foil. And then the reward. Perfect. Cute. So anyway, got all those. Let me move these out of the way. And then I will show you all of the other nonsense that I got. Found some different kind of decorative tape. This one says love, 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 love. Purple, pink. I'm not sure. Oh, those are little hearts. Those are little cactuses. So it's really cute. This one has a little pineapple, a little bumblebee. That says wish with a little unicorn, and it's purple. So I grabbed one of those. Then I grabbed 2 of these Click and Flames. These are great for cookouts and that kind of thing. I grabbed these little mini cups because I use them in my craft room. Put water in them, or I can even put glue in them and dip my bigger brushes down into them. Kind of just throw them away when I'm done with them. And then I grabbed 2 of these to send across the pond to my friend Kim. She likes these little things, so I grabbed her 4 of those to send to her. Now then, let me move this stuff out of the way again, and then I'll show you all of the wedding supplies that I got at the Dollar Tree. Now, I went there specifically to get some of the burlap ribbon that they have. Now, of course, they didn't have it because they knew I was coming to get it. So I'll have to go to one of the other stores. But I did find some of this tulle. I'm going to use that probably in decorating the tables or something. So I grabbed that. Then I found these tiny little mini salt and pepper shakers. Now, when I first saw them, the first thing I thought was glitter shakers. Those would be so perfect. And I'm going to make these rattle terribly, but hold on. I thought they would be perfect to set in my little thing, and I was wrong. They won't sit in there. Well, they do, but they still topple over, and I don't like that. I have another one somewhere that's smaller. I think it's out in my storage hut building, but I got these actually for the wedding to put in on the tables and that kind of thing. And I bought a few packages of them, so keep those over there. Next thing I got was some floral wire. I am making the bouquet, I am making the flowers, I am making the decorations. So I grabbed some of that. That's another one of those. Then they had these adorable little white buckets. Now, I thought these would be really cute on the tables, just to maybe put some little candies in, little chocolates or something like that. Haven't decided yet, but I thought they were really cute, so I grabbed a couple of packages of those. There's some more of that wire. Now, the jute that I did find was this raw burlap, so I'm not sure if it's going to work. And then I found this just plain burlap. Now, what I had before has lace in the middle of it, which I really like, and that's what I was using for the jars to get those going. And I found 2 of those burlap ones. And then inside the jars, and I'll show you these as I get them done. I haven't really, I've started on them, but once I get them all done, I'll kind of show you how I did them and that kind of thing. But then I bought some of these little 120-hour LED lights. These last really good. They're pretty bright, and I can put them inside the little jars to kind of give a little glow. And then the last thing that I got were 2 of these potpourris. Now, the reason I got them is not because we need potpourri, but because they look so rustic and old, not old, but, you know, outdoorsy, and they smell like vanilla, so you can't go wrong. The thing with Dollar Tree things is they don't smell very strongly once you start cooking them or whatever, but I don't really need it for that. I just need it for, you know, table decoration. So I grabbed a couple of those just to kind of see how it would look on the table. But anyway, that is my little Dollar Tree haul for this week. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And click on that little bell. A little bell will tell you when I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting the channel. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.